Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Measure 1 cup granulated sugar and 1/4 cup water and set them by the stove, because precise proportions make a consistent caramel. Place an 8-inch round flan pan nearby and preheat nothing. The caramel pours hot into a room temperature pan. Get a heat-proof silicone spatula and a small metal or glass cup with 2 tablespoons hot water to hand. You may need the hot water to loosen sugar that crystallizes. Keep a pot holder and a lid within reach for safety if splattering occurs while you cook the sugar. Combine the 1 cup sugar and 1/4 cup water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan and stir just until the sugar dissolves. Then stop stirring once it starts to simmer. Keep the heat at medium and gently swirl the pan to ensure even color, watching for a transition from clear to pale gold to deep amber. This visual change signals caramelization. If crystals form, add a splash of the reserved 2 tablespoons hot water or cover briefly to melt them. Remove from heat promptly when you see an amber hue to avoid burning and a bitter flavor. Once the caramel reaches a deep amber color, carefully lift the saucepan off the heat and immediately pour the hot caramel into the 8-inch flan pan, tilting the pan to coat the bottom evenly. Work quickly because the caramel sets fast. Allow the caramel to cool and harden for about 15 minutes at room temperature before pouring in the custard mixture so it does not dissolve. After baking the flan and cooling, chill the dessert at least 2 hours to unmold. Run a thin knife around the rim and invert onto a plate, catching any loose caramel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.